See you next update in 10 minutes here on LBC News. LBC News. Weather.
Dry with sunny spells in the south today, cloudy with showers further north and east. It's feeling windy too, with highs of 14 degrees. Wintry showers across many central and eastern areas, with a chance of snow in some places and lows of 1 degree overnight. Further wintry showers in central and eastern parts tomorrow, dry with sunny spells in the west and cold and windy for most. Looking ahead to Monday, dry and cloudy with sunshine for many. A few showers though in the north and east.
Just gone 2:15, you're listening to LBC News. Now let's get more on the world of business and how it's been impacted during the coronavirus outbreak. The FTSE 100 closed the week down